Welcome to our series of videos diving into the Places section in Plottr. And in this video, we're going to take a look at filtering places. Now, filtering is an easy way to only see places that match a certain criteria. So to set up your filter, just go to the Filter button in the Places toolbar. And you can see there's a number of options from which we can filter, including books, tags, and then any custom attributes you've created. So we have owner, blows away, and you may have to scroll depending on the number of custom attributes you have. Symbolizes and location. So if we'd only like to see locations associated with pig number 1 as the owner, we can click on pig number 1. And now when we return to the list, we only see the straw house, which is the only location with an owner of pig number 1. And we'll see our message, the place list is filtered, and to clear the filter, simply click on the X, and all the places return. And we can also filter by multiple criteria. So for example, if we'd only like to see locations that blow away, or are owned by Mother Pig. We can now see our list. We have the 2 houses that blew away, plus Mother Pig's house. We can remove the filter entirely by clicking on the X, or if we want to remove one of the criteria from the filter, you can simply click in and remove it, and now we'll only see places associated with Mother Pig as the owner. And if you return and click on Mother Pig, that removes all of the filtering options and has cleared the filter as well. We can also filter by the categories. So for example, if we'd like to filter for any place that has a tag associated with it, we can simply click on the tag's heading, and now we'll see only the stick house because it is the only place that has a tag associated with it. And you can do that for any of the categories. So I can click on tags again to remove it and click on owners. So here's the list of places that have an owner associated with it. And you can see that all of the places are displayed because all of the places have an associated owner. And we can clear this again, and now our list is no longer filtered, which in this case looks the same. So that covers filtering places in Plottr. If you have any questions, be sure to leave the comment below and give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for all our latest tutorials and information. And I'll see you in the next video.